Hi guys, thanks for joining today's session on demo session on Data Cloud. My name is Harsh and I will be your instructor on Data Cloud. So guys, we already know that Data Cloud is a new platform which Salesforce has brought up and it is booming nowadays. So today we have gathered to understand what is Data Cloud and what kind of training program we will have on Data Cloud. We will understand what are some of the use cases of Data Cloud and we will try to understand your questions and answers. So guys, Data Cloud is a data, s- sorry, Data Cloud by Salesforce is a platform which is connected to every other platforms and consolidates data. You can take an example, a customer has data present in various other platforms. A customer has their data present in Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, any other third-party platform, Google Analytics, Facebook Ads, Google Ads. A customer can be present in multiple different platforms. A customer's unique identifier can be different across other platforms. The customer can be called as a lead in Salesforce, a contact in Salesforce, but it is called a subscriber in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It can have a different unique ID if it is present in another database. It can have a different unique identifier if it is present in another system, which is non-Salesforce. Because whatever system you utilize to store customer data, they generates unique IDs. So now to get a 360 customer view on a single place, you do not have any platform before Data Cloud. Data Cloud connects with all those sources, gets data in two different ways. It can get data from other platforms in a form of batch, or it can get data from other sources in a form of real-time streaming. Once it gets data inside Data Cloud from other different sources, you can create a customer 360 model inside a Data Cloud. What is a customer 360 model? A customer 360 model is a harmonized model in Data Cloud which connects multiple sources and brings multiple different kind of data into a single place of a customer. It is essential to have multiple different types of data present at a single place to analyze the data fast, predict next best actions fast, and create customer segments and take value out of it. There are scenarios where companies struggle to understand customer 360 data. They want to take quicker decisions. They want to act on customer data fast. They want to have an elaborative view of customer at a single place. Which can help you create a 360 customer model. And definitely 360 customer model helps us in a lot of different ways. So if you look this diagram given by Data Cloud by Salesforce, you see that Data Cloud connects with multiple different data sources and it can get data either by batch or by streaming services. Batch are non-real-time data. When you have to get the bulk data at once, you can go with batch. But there is data which is real-time data, that is streaming data. For example, if you have a lead or a contact object inside your Salesforce, you can integrate that in a batch. But if a contact is surfing a Facebook post, is surfing some of the content on a Facebook in real time, and then you have to change the content or recommend further content based on his past search activities. That data can be called as streaming, because the content in social media changes on the go. You get recommendations on the go. If you have observed, if you are using Instagram and you are looking a certain type of content, the same type of content is being recommended more and more. Now that is a very quick action by Instagram. The background is data cloud, because data cloud gets data via streaming and process further recommendations. You are getting all the data of a customer at a single place. That will help you harmonize the data. If you have customers data into sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, commerce cloud, if you have that data in Facebook ads, Google Analytics, if you have his data on SAP, financial services, Oracle cloud, Oracle database, if you have his data on any other platform, because it is obvious that companies are using multiple different platforms for storing customers' data. They are not only dependent on Salesforce. For CRM related stuff, they might have Salesforce, but there are other platforms where they are using customer data in some or other purpose. Like we are using customer data in Facebook ads, Google ads. We are using CRM platform as well. We all might have a custom application and website on which our customer data is getting generated. A lot of different platforms are there. So once you connect all these data sources and bring a customer data, you can harmonize that data. The meaning of harmonization is you can create an inbuilt data model, which is known as customer 360 data model, and connect all those data sources to that master customer 360 data model. Earlier to data cloud, we had multiple different schemas in multiple different platforms. We couldn't have combined all those schemas into a single schema or a customer 360 master schema. But now data cloud provides the concept of harmonization, where you can create a master customer 360 model and connect all data sources and bring data at the single place. Once you have the data at single place, you can unify that data. Data might be called as a subscriber in marketing cloud, as a lead or a contact in sales cloud, as a profile in any other platform, as an attribute, as an entity in any other platform. But in data cloud, as you are using a customer 360 model, it is necessary to predict all those IDs into a single master ID. That is what unification is. Data cloud connects all the data sources of a customer into a single unique identifier, so that you don't find it difficult to understand the customer coming from different sources are same or not. Then once you unify that data, you have AI predictions. For example, once a data is unified, you get a holistic view of that data. You can use segments and AI capabilities to further understand behaviors in next level about a customer. Once you have predicted, analyzed behaviors, you can act on that behavioral data. For example, once you have created segments, marketing people use those segments for cross-sell, upsell different products and services. You can trigger a flow inside a sales cloud to enable your sales workflows or service workflows. You can do a lot of different stuff when you have customer 360 data at one place, which is unified, and a lot of predictions are being generated. You can do a lot of things in form of activations. So we will see the entire process of data cloud in detail on the training program. Data cloud is an integral part of Salesforce ecosystem. If you are already knowing Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, or any other cloud of Salesforce, it makes sense for you to jump on Data Cloud because it is a new technology. It is booming in market, as well as it is gonna provide you high packages in the industry because it has just started to gain popularity. So guys, it was a short demo on Data Cloud. The entire detailed training program we have arranged. We will be understanding each and every capability of Data Cloud in training program. You will be getting complimentary org access along with the Data Cloud training, which is setup enabled platform which you won't find anywhere else. Any questions on this demo session, guys? Any questions?
So, what is the duration of this class?
The duration of Data Cloud would be 20 hours, guys.
20 hours. So, are you
Yeah.
going to give that real time, like a real time data transfer from the other system to Salesforce and Salesforce to other system? Are you
Right.
providing the details?
Yeah, without that, we can't start Data Cloud only. We have to get data.
No, no. What I'm asking, are you providing any real time scenarios?
Yeah, so scenarios would be real time only, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Whatever we are studying on Salesforce, everything is real time.
Got it.
Any more questions, guys?
So data cloud is nothing but it's a platform where we are storing the customer data which is coming from the different sources, right?
Yeah.
And it is helping us to streamline the customers.
It is what?
It is helping us to streamline the customers, right?
Streamline the customers means?
Like the recommendation, what they want to see, like which product they want to buy.
Yeah, there are lots of different use cases of Data Cloud. Recommendations, actions, predictions, lots of
You,
things are
you
there.
so you said recommendation, so that is we can also do it in the marketing cloud, right? Why they are going for the data cloud then?
How you can do in Marketing Cloud? Marketing Cloud has email, SMS, push notifications. You have to recommend on an application.
Mm-hmm.
Like I gave you an example of Facebook. Marketing Cloud email recommendations, mobile and all these recommendations. Actually, recommendations works on streaming basis on live apps, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can do recommendations, but you have to write a logic for recommendation. Marketing Cloud, how you will write logic?
I'm
How
script, right?
many SQL queries you will write? That has to be in fraction of seconds. The streaming services are not available in Marketing Cloud, and it is only for email, SMS, push notifications. I'm talking about websites, applications like Facebook, Instagram. Understood? Any more questions, guys?
Yeah, one question. Let's say we get the data from external system. So does the data store in Salesforce or it will only be available when we are using it?
Data Cloud is a place of reference, not a place of records. It works on
Mhm.
data synchronization concept. Whenever you enable a data stream, that data would start flowing inside Data Cloud but would not be physically stored. Once a stream is discontinued, the data would also discontinue. If you know Marketing Cloud, you have a synchronized data extension concept. Okay. The same way data cloud works. So data cloud does not store records of its own. It works on streams basis.
Okay, so on a need basis, it will pull the data and do the work, and then it will disconnect the connection.
Not disconnect the connection until unless you do it manually. But it will keep on getting upserts, refreshes of data automatically. But will not be stored physically inside the system. Any more questions, guys? So a lot of things will clear in training program. Okay, Data Cloud is a fantastic product, and in coming days you will see it has become an integral part of every Salesforce, you know, uh, module. Whether you are working on Sales and Service Cloud, you should be knowing Data Cloud as well. If you are already working on Marketing Cloud, Data Cloud is a genie for you. Commerce Cloud, it will be genie for you. Third party platform, Data Cloud would be a very good platform for you. The main thing is understand defining logics and acting on those logics. Though we have marketing cloud, though we have sales service cloud, you have concepts of SQL and all, but their engines are not as efficient. We have to look for real-time streamings. Now, suppose you are working on a you are surfing Netflix, okay, and you started to explore certain kind of web series like thriller series of a certain language. Netflix will start giving you more and more recommendations. That is a streaming services. On the go, they are recommending products and services. That thing won't be available using Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud, you can get a recommendation email after 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, and that will have a limited option. But huge platforms like Netflix, Amazon, okay, how they recommend products on their applications. There is a big logic getting processed in the backend in real time. So data cloud is a or data clouds kind of platforms are only helpful there. But that is a single example. There are tens and thousands of examples. We will see around five different business use cases in our training where data cloud is used in what all capacities, and that would definitely help you out to crack any interview. This is the time to get into data cloud, and if you want to switch, you can have it on your CV. It would definitely give you nice perks because it is a new technology, and whenever Salesforce gets new thing, definitely packages are good. So guys, please join the training program if you want. You can connect with SV Tech Soft and understand the other details about this training. We are going to start a batch from Monday. We already have 6 people registered for our batch. This is the final demo we are conducting, and soon we will be starting batch on Monday. Wish to see you there, guys. Thanks. Any more questions?
Yeah, one question. So do we also cover modeling in this course? Build your own model, Einstein one.
Yeah, whatever is present in data cloud, everything we will study. Data model is a core concept of data cloud, building our own customer 360 model. Without that, we cannot proceed only. So we will definitely study that. No topics will be left in data cloud, guys. It is already not that big platform. It is very conceptual platform. So we will cover each and every topics for functionalities. Any more questions? Okay, then let's connect on Monday in our live classes, guys. Thanks.